is so comfortable. Join me. That's good. Come to the dark. Come to the shadows.
But we shouldn't lose hope yet. I sense great strength in him.
My possession now.
Popcat! Are you alright?
His Omni came together as one. Mind, body, and soul.
No way! I just woke up and, why is everyone talking about me? It's getting kinda uncomfortable. Who gave you that pink band-aid? What? It was I, Serenity, who gave you the pink band-aid because I think pink is a very pretty color and it looks really funny on you. It has been over a month since the incident. The prince, Dante, despite trying to kill me, stayed in school without much consequences. So, yeah, nothing much changed. But something I did notice when I got back to school was the look in his eyes and the spirit of his attitude. He's not the confident bully anymore. Something in him has changed. Perhaps it's for the better? I'm not sure. Dante just seems depressed all the time. Hey, Dante, what's wrong? I'm a monster.
I'm a monster.
Get away from me! No, you're not. You weren't thinking clearly and made a mistake. I'm so sorry, Popcat. I was so arrogant. My mind was clouded. Just leave. I've done unforgivable things. It's fine. You realize your mistakes. You can change. I forgive you. So do I. This is Oscar. Oscar was constantly bullied at school because of his size and his ostrich plushie. Many times I've seen him being bullied, but I never did anything. I guess when Dante pulled out that knife, something just snapped in me. Put that down and leave him alone. And I forgive you on Oscar, Popcat, and my behalf. Oh, and this is Serenity. When I was wounded, Oscar carried me to the orphanage he lived at, and there, Serenity was able to bandage my wound up. After that, I went straight towards the hospital where I was pronounced dead. This is so weird. I was dead? Your forgiveness won't do anything. I'm too far gone. I don't deserve this. Everyone deserves a second chance. I've had more than just one chance. Too many to count. I can't believe I never realized how evil I am. Until I almost killed you and Popcat. Listen up, young man. You say you're a monster, why don't you get your butt up and pull up your imaginary pants and buckle them up with a belt? Because even a monster does more with its life than you are right now. Soaking won't do anything. No point in sitting here wasting time when you can chase bubbles. Hey, who are you calling young man? I'm older than you by 2 months. Whoops? I think from that moment, something truly magical happened to all of us. There was this energy, this positivity that flowed through the air as if we were swimming in a pool of happiness. I wish this feeling would last forever. But, yeah, school. I almost forgot about that. Anyways, talk to you later.
Later that same evening.
I feel like things are going to be better with Dante now. Also, I realized something. I made friends. This is what friendship feels like, I think. Oscar and Serenity are my closest friends. Best friends. Anyways, it's getting late. Good night.
8 hours later.
Today, I asked Milo about letting my new friends, Oscar and Serenity, join the Resistance. I've already introduced them to it, and they both really want to leave the orphanage and train with us. So, can they join? Can they?
Fine. But just to let you know, I'm not happy filling out all those adoption forms. But Oscar and Serenity, I know more than enough about them to trust that they would make excellent additions to the Resistance.
Milo was right. They did make excellent additions to the Resistance. Oscar, not surprisingly, had very little physical strength. And he always holds on to his ostrich, which drags down his training a lot.
Oscar, just put the ostrich down. It's not going to go anywhere.
I can't.
Why?
I don't want to talk about it. Fortunately, Oscar turned out to be very, very smart. So, in the end, his training was focused more on strategy than combat. Serenity, on the other hand, well,
If anyone can take me down, I will wash your dishes. Oh, man.
And Milo had me do some pretty crazy things. He says it's to get me to start using my Omni. Apparently, my Omni came together when I died, and I was able to defeat death? I wasn't even conscious when that happened, so I don't have the foggiest idea of what to do.
Popcat, I sense your Omni to be stronger than any I've ever seen. If you can control this potential, the power you have is unimaginable.
3 years later is when everything starts to change. The shadows have begun their attack.
This is a kingdom-wide emergency. Code Red. Everyone is ordered to stay locked down. Every fighter is ordered to meet at their stations. The shadows are approaching. Fast. In the largest army we have ever seen. War has started. I repeat, war has started.